What is up, YouTube? My name is Aditya, and welcome back to our channel, Virtuous for Trading. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the pre-analysis, the levels for Nifty for 19th Feb 2024. Just in case you're new to this channel and you haven't joined our global trading community, which is free. And in this community, we share our stocks, we share what we do in the live market. So you can actually relate the pre-analysis. Okay, so the Nifty pre-analysis can be related to what we update on the free Telegram group right here. So that in this case, you're going to learn about where the price is supposed to go in Nifty. So we'll make sure that we try to tell you all of this in advance. So once we try to tell you this in advance, what you can do is you can try to understand how you can be a participant into such trades. And eventually, in our YouTube channel, we'll be updating more about what we do, and it's going to make things easier for you. Also, you can see we trade some stocks. These stocks, we wouldn't suggest you to just like right away put your money into these things. These are everything is for just educational purpose. All right, so just be very careful about these things. And yes, if you see, we shared the stock 152 on 15th Feb, and eventually if you see how it just shot up right away, this is for on the same particular day. By the end of the day, it just shot up right away. All right, guys, so coming back to the Nifty pre-analysis, also just make sure that the link is down in the description. Don't forget to join in, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So now let's understand what can we expect from Nifty tomorrow, or eventually what can we expect from Nifty for the next few coming days. So as soon as you go onto the Nifty index futures chart, what I want you to do is put these two settings on the chart. Okay. Now, as soon as I put these two settings on my chart, what I'll get is this. I just plot this level right here. This is a very strong level for me. Okay. 22,136. So anytime the prices are pushing higher above this level, I would like to see the price actually turn around. Now, the fact that the prices can actually push up pretty high before it actually falls down, maybe to take out this high as well. But I won't be interested in being a participant into this. And you will understand the reasons day in, day out. Like, why are we making sure that we are not trying to participate into long? So even if the price just simply leaves us and wants to continue higher, I wouldn't want to be a participant, just in case you can identify a trade that is long and you can see something. You can target this level right here, 22,235. But I am not expecting anything. I still do not have the conviction to go long, because I believe that this level right here is going to give out pretty huge selling opportunities. So let's say the price pushes higher somehow around here. Okay, so where can I expect the prices to fall down to? So I'm going to expect the prices to fall down to the opening price of 16th Feb 2024, and somewhere in between this area. This is where there is no trading. If you look here, there's no trading, there's no buying, there's no selling, and the markets only move for two reasons: liquidity and imbalance. So if you can identify these things on the chart, it becomes a little easier for us to identify the next direction in the market. So I'm expecting the markets to definitely like shoot up a little bit, but as soon every time it takes out a high, every time it takes out a high, I'll be waiting for something that forms a bearish order flow. Maybe it goes up once again and then drops down. I'll be very interested to then take a shot like this, because I am expecting a sharp fall. I'm expecting a fall that is going to be too sharp, that is going to eventually reach for this level right here, 22,040 or 22,060. Whichever comes first, I'll try to make sure that I book partials and I hold on to the trade. Now, if by any chance the price also drops below this, it can drop a little lower as well towards 22,970. 20 21,970. So sorry, 21,970. However, this is going to be my best case scenario. Let's say the market opens on Monday here somewhere and it simply drops down, or it opens here somewhere and simply touches this, I will have to wait for the AM session. I'm not going to trade anything. Okay, so the AM session I'll completely wait, and I'll wait to see where the market wants to go on after 1 o'clock. This is extremely important. We have to do these things. Now, why I'm doing these things is something that you will only understand when you're following me on a regular basis here. So you can definitely go on to the channel right here. Just click on the link that is down in the description mentioned. And just in case you have any doubts, you can reach out to us on Instagram as well. We're going to give you a lot of value and things are going to be very helpful for you. So just be sure that you are taking notes every single day because you'll learn a lot. All right, guys. So these are the best case scenarios. I don't really want to see the price come here, but just in case it goes there, I still don't want to be a participant into long because it's not something that I will be able to manage my trades with high probability. Let's say for the next 20 days, if you ask me, okay, if you give me options that you want to take trades like these or you want to take trades like these, sorry, you want to take trades like these where it's a fall. I will be focusing more on the trades like these right here, the one that is reaching for this. I won't be focusing much here because I know that even if I follow 20 trades like these where the conviction is very high, these trades are going to give me a better outcome, an outcome that is going to definitely make sure that I am profitable at the end of the month, at the end of the year for my entire for the batch of these 20 trades. But if I am taking trades like these, eventually the outcome cannot be so good. It can be break even, it can be a big loss, it can be a small loss, but very less. I believe that it's going to be extremely profitable. But this is the scenario that's going to be extremely profitable. Now, definitely, you at this point cannot understand the difference between those probabilities. However, just notice this: the price definitely needs to reach here. Now, it should come here in the next 2 days, Monday or Tuesday. It should come here. If it's not coming on Monday and Tuesday here, I'll wait and I'll check if it's coming on Wednesday or Thursday or not, or then I'll change my buy. So this is how I'll have to plan my days going ahead. Dollar index, I'm expecting it to push a little higher. So dollar index right here, if I go on to the daily time frame, let's see this. So I'm expecting dollar index to actually just like shoot up, take out these equal highs and reach for 105.372 somehow. Hence the reason I'm expecting Nifty to fall. And just in case, if we look here, this is where the prices are on Euro USD. So this is an inversion fair value gap. And at this point, we have a fair value gap as well around here. So I'm expecting this, if it continues to stays below the 50% of this inversion fair value gap, it's going to drop down very hard. And maybe we can, sorry, maybe we can go back down once again to reach somewhere here. So that's, or that is something that we can also look for in Euro USD. Hence, Nifty, I really would want to see the prices but not too hard. Okay, I really wanted to see a drop lower to at least test these areas, 21,950 or something like that, and then definitely we can expect a bounce back up. Now it depends where the bounce back up would want to go. All right. But my best case scenario and the low risk and the high probability trade is when the setup forms here. Okay, so just try to understand, like when you're trading tomorrow, doing demo trades and everything, just see your long trades and just see the short trade. Okay, if the short trade forms in the next few days, just see how these things forms. That's going to help you a lot in understanding why that particular trade is a very nice trade. All right, guys, so I'll end this video here. Thank you so much. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and just make sure to press the like button and the share button with and share this with as many people as you can. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.